Ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga booga booga.
NANI?!
What's this, you f***ing piece of shit?
I mean, it's alright, like, overrated as f***, in my opinion. I mean,
Almost exactly 3 years ago, I decided to kill all of my singular brain cell by installing the game engine known as Unity. Three years later, and I made so many games, pulled out so many hairs, and couldn't imagine my life without it. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to talk about my extremely rocky journey with Unity for the past 3 years. Enjoy. When I opened up Unity, one thing was for sure. I didn't know shit, and I'd soon end up uninstalling. 1 month later, Unity made a reappearance in my life. This time I had an idea in mind of what I wanted to do, and was dedicated. After almost 6 months of grinding during online learning, I created this masterpiece. More like a piece of shit. Boom. There we go. Well, this was not what I was expecting, to say the least. I actually did have a full game that worked, but clearly the version I have is completely up. At this point so far I had learned the basics of Unity, and how to make a basic character controller using translation, which was not it, but worked.
I'm a working pendulum.
The game was basic. Get to the flag without being caught by the cameras or the AI, which was basically a walking panel. I ended up making 3 levels all full of glitches, but it was my first real project, and I was 13 at the time of making it, so it wasn't really that bad. It soon came to me that game development really was difficult, and after that show I had made with this trash ass game, I took a break. A very long break. And then I had an idea to join a competition with some mates. We started making a game where you had a ray gun and it was supposed to be a platformer. After a month of development, the competition organisers decided to cancel, and all my mates just gave up, so I did too. I learned though how to make a decent character controller using the actual component and not witchcraft this time. I made a pretty cool mechanic in making a cube you could shrink and enlarge to help you parkour around a course. I learnt a lot from my experiences, and now it was time to do something great. I wanted to make a horror game and actually wanted to be a great experience for the player. I was heavily inspired by Hello Neighbor as well as Granny, the mobile horror game, and got to work planning.
Oh my god, you subscribe? Wow! The FBI is stupid. If you do not like and subscribe to the video right now, you will be infected with liver. So subscribe right now and like the video.
NANI?!
This project would end up taking me around 9 months, making it basically my baby. I created a very complex AI that was smart and not dumb. I got more involved with the NavMesh agent, made a bunch of things the AI would do, such as watch some TV, which were basically just cameras. Yes, the AI was a predator and was stalking your every move. He patrolled the house and you were able to distract him with various different noises and by turning off the power to the entire house. You soon discovered the house was full of possessed beings and your goal was to escape alive. The game took me over 9 months to make and was only under an hour's worth of gameplay if you beat it first try, that was. Was it really worth it? Well, probably not, especially for the fact I didn't even make a singular cent off of it. But I did get some downloads, which was nice at least. This game really gave me a real taste of what it felt like to be an indie game developer. I worked tirelessly whenever I didn't have school or sports.
What? He's not a nerd and plays sports? No, he's not a nerd?
Anyways, I ran into so many bugs throughout the development of this game. Some taking only 5 minutes to solve, and some taking up to almost a week to solve, and some just remaining in the game completely. I remember one of my scripts was like 500 lines long originally, and then I proceeded to add another 200 just to fix the sequencing of events so bugs wouldn't occur throughout the entire game. For all of you that are watching this and want to get into game development with Unity, or even Unreal, or whatever it is, you're going to go through the struggle and run into many glitches, but trust me, the product you create will definitely satisfy you. My mates played the game and were genuinely terrified playing it.